Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the conversation generator on NotebookLM. So this is for individuals who simply want to use NotebookLM and are interested in using the conversation feature. So here I have a variety of different notebooks that I currently have. And so what we're going to do is go onto this Charlie Morgan notebook. And once you start adding resources to NotebookLM, it tends to give you like predetermined questions that you might find relevant. And I'd say roughly 40% of the time, these questions are actually relevant to the information which I want to learn. So you can actually scroll through them if you click on this right button. But here we could actually click on, according to Charlie Morgan, how many sales reps should a business have to generate $500,000 per month? So using the conversation generator, you can not only can you ask it predefined questions that are suggested, but you could also ask it other questions as well, such as how would Charlie Morgan start a YouTube channel? So you can ask it specific questions, and then NotebookLM actually tries its best to go ahead and use the resources in order to answer your question. But here you can see that in one resource, 6 sales representatives would be sufficient enough. Here, I simply asked it, how would Charlie Morgan start a YouTube channel? Based on his experiences and content, here's how Charlie Morgan might approach starting a YouTube channel. And the thing with the conversation generator on NotebookLM is that it's really formatted in a way in which the information is easily digestible. So as you can see here, it's numbered, it's bulleted. You have the resources, you have words that are bolded. And with that, it makes it so it's easier to actually, again, digest the information. But this right here is how I use the conversation generator on NotebookLM. When you do like a certain conversation that was started, you can actually save it to a note. So if I go back and close this chat, you'll see a bunch of responses that I've actually saved over the past couple of days when I was actually conversating with NotebookLM. So what's really cool about this is that if you add enough resources based on a singular individual, let's say a YouTuber, it's really like you're asking them specifically the question. I mean, people would pay good money to probably interview, famous people. And if you add enough resources, let's say like their biographies, things that they've written, podcasts or interviews that they've been on, you can really make it act like you're asking them some sort of question or interviewing them basically without actually seeing them in person. So this right here is how I use the conversation generator on NotebookLM. If you know of a better or easier way to actually use this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.